Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.
All right, let's get straight into it because that's how I like to do it. I start off with my wig and I shake it. I shake it, baby, because I know it's been in a package, it's been tight, sealed up, so I like volume. So we shake it until we can't shake no more. Now, step 2. I don't know if it's a me thing or a we thing, but I never know which side to put the wig on, so I always try on both sides. And don't mind that white stuff. I had a deep conditioner in my hair because, baby, I wasn't doing the hair. It's time for a wigcation. So I put on the wig cap. Shout out to LUVEME for providing that for us. And I tried it on. So this is what it's giving before I do anything. And now if I needed to run out the door, we could do that. You know, we can make something. All right, on to the next. Go ahead, take that wig off. Make sure that you good. Go ahead and get any conditioner. I just found this one in my closet, and you're gonna put it on there. It's actually a deep conditioner, conditioner, whichever one works. Put a little bit on there, massage it through the hair. I actually use cold water when I do this because whenever I condition my hair, I use cold water to seal it. And you're just gonna run through it just like you're washing your own hair. Make sure you get every strand. Make sure it's kind of like penetrated. And then from there, literally, I just squeeze it out as much as I can, and I not towel dry, but I use a t-shirt. I t-shirt dry my wigs because I also t-shirt dry my hair. So after that, I let my homegirl dry. I leave her alone. I put her on a hanger, and I hang up in the shower. I think she's ready, and my hair still isn't. Okay. So let's see. Y'all been looking a mess all morning. Okay, I slept with this on because I did a deep conditioner in my hair. And let's see. Oh, girl, look at that. Okay. Use myself. I guess I'm gonna try the side with no clips. That's probably wrong. This is the side with no clips. Oh yeah, we can do that then. Let's see. It's giving. What the heck happened? I don't know if this is the right way. Okay, I'm gonna do it to where the little flap is in the front. That might be what I need to do. Little flap. You ever see this? Little flap in the front. Yeah, your name? Yeah? Yeah? There we go! Okay. Okay. And that's all, folks, because okay. Oh! I literally only washed it. I don't want to cut my bangs because I love doing the Stevie Wonder. God! What I always do with my natural hair, I'm getting it and just kind of finger fluffing. And then I'm just gonna pick it a little bit because, oh my gosh, look at this lady! Yup, I didn't need to. If I just pick it up a little bit. Wow. 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 Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ha! This is very cute. Oh, wow. We love to see it. Y'all, I got so excited. I just had to get in the car and go somewhere so people can see my wig. But as always, I'm sending you positive vibes, peace, love, and prosperity.